Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get an X-frame physique. To achieve this highly sought-after look, you need to focus on developing specific muscle groups. We'll cover the essential training principles that emphasize broad shoulders, a tapered waist, and strong, well-proportioned legs. This approach ensures you build a balanced and impressive physique, creating that desirable X shape. Let's dive into the foundational elements for success. To create the top of your X-frame, broad shoulders are crucial. Focus on exercises like lateral raises, performing 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions to target the side deltoids directly. Overhead presses are also vital for overall shoulder development and strength. Don't forget your lats. A wide back enhances the illusion of a smaller waist. Include pull-ups and various rowing movements in your routine. A tapered waist is the central point of your X-frame. Achieving this requires a combination of low body fat and targeted core work. Focus on maintaining a healthy diet to keep your midsection lean, aiming for a body fat percentage below 15%. Incorporate exercises like planks and anti-rotation movements to strengthen your core without adding bulk to your obliques. This strategy helps create that desirable V-taper, enhancing the X shape. The base of your X-frame comes from well-developed legs. Compound movements like squats and lunges are essential for building powerful quadriceps and glutes. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for significant muscle growth. Don't neglect your hamstrings. Exercises such as hamstring curls and Romanian deadlifts ensure balanced leg development. Remember, consistency is key for all muscle groups. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.